Digital at the age of 70. How is that possible? Where did that start? My beginning started after my retirement. Been in the environment of nursing for 40 years of my life, giving into a community, giving to people and experiencing the satisfaction of working in the nursing environment. But after my retirement, my paycheck just stopped dead and my pension became null and void. What a journey. 1.5 years ago, I've decided I have to do something, and the reason for that was that I needed purpose. I needed purpose to get up in the morning and take me out for the day in something that I could do to be able to sustain myself. When I stopped with my career, it was a huge loss in my life, because all of a sudden you get up and there's basically no purpose. My children is big, my grandchildren is not here, things like that. So I started to look online, what can I do to be able to sustain myself without standing behind an ICU bed for a 12-hour shift. And therefore my search started. And I discovered this product that I want to share with you. And that is where my whole online environment started. My whole online journey started with wanting to find purpose. And I found that purpose, and I want to share that purpose at the age of 70 with you today. I found a program that taught me how to go about in doing digital marketing, how to work online. I come out of an era of baby boomers, 1955. No social media. I absolutely had no idea of any technical environment, because we are doers. When we serve and we deliver, we are doers. We work 12-hour shifts. And this has changed my path of career completely, if I want to call it a career today. But the roadmap was opened for me to step out of my comfort zone and actually go into an environment that I really enjoy. Why do I enjoy it? I work for myself in my own time. I've developed skills that was non-existing. My whole environment of thinking what a social media consists of for my age group is having friends on Facebook, and it's just a social environment. That was my whole take on it, and I've never shared anything of my private life on social media, so it was very foreign for me to actually come on and create a video to be able to market what I'm doing. And I developed complete social media anxiety. Ooh. And then went off the social media platform for a period of time because I didn't want to show my face. I'm not comfortable on the camera. But I still have the dream until today that I want to visit my family. I want to spend time with my grandchildren. I want to be free to be able to do what I enjoy doing. So before I started on the online business, before I came on board, completed something that's got to do with my career, occupational health and safety, and I wanted to finish that, so I finished that. Then I decided I always had an interest in photography, so I signed up for a course in photography and I completed that. I've still got a very keen interest in photography and I've learned a lot. Then I decided I'm going to become an estate agent. This now all happened after my retirement, trying to find a niche where I can fit in. And I've been, many years ago, I've been in the real estate and I decided to put my hand in it. So I finished the real estate exams, etc., etc. but that was still not where I wanted to be. I didn't want to be in an office. I did not want to report to people. I wanted to work from home and work for myself. And that's when I discovered the blueprint and where I'm at today. So I want to share my journey. I want to share my roadmap on what does this consist of. You are welcome to download the blueprint in my bio that will give you the details about the program that I'm on. I've been through a process of scammers, rabbit holes, finding myself really, and it wasn't an easy road for me. But 1.5 years later, I am still here, and I'm excited to tell you about how you can actually supplement your retirement income. You still have the free time, you still do what you want to do, you do it when you want to do it, and that is it. In my years of growing up, we still did, or we learned to tap on the music, puppets on a string. And until this very day, I remember that because it helped me in, to be able to actually work on my computer. So I started off with my cell phone, internet connection, my laptop, and a course. So if you're looking at what I'm doing, I started off with a program that taught me what is digital marketing, how does it work, and it developed my skills. And those are the skills that I would like to share with you going forward. So watch the space for more videos to come. I am new in the environment of creating the videos, and that's been one of my stumble blocks, and I'm determined in this year of 2026 to overcome the stumble block of not knowing how to create videos. So therefore, my first video at the age of 70 for the YouTube channel is coming up. The previous one that I did was all to do with my anxiety, and that's where it actually then stopped because of my fear about social media and being on social media. But I realized at my age, what do I have to lose? Absolutely nothing to lose. I'm not looking for somebody to like me. I'm not looking for people to approve me. I've walked the road over the years to be able to have the total freedom, time freedom that I've got today, and the wonderful opportunity to be able to study. So if you look at the digital program that I am working on, if you want to understand, my understanding started when I started to realize that the program is exactly like if you want to write in for, like I've done with my photography course. I had to pay for the course, I had to do the modules, I had to study, I had to learn how to use my camera. This works in the same basis. This is just the beginning. It is so wide. Whatever you do in this life, whether you a gardener, a cook, a hairdresser, a painter, you can name it. There is so many possibilities to understand how it works. I normally, when people ask me, what is digital marketing? What is it that you do? And I always explain to them, in the previous years, we used to have a newspaper to read with. And going back into my real estate time, so when you were looking for a house, you will buy the Sunday Times here in South Africa, and you page through the page and see which houses is in your market, in your bracket, and you will then highlight that, and you will then go and visit a show house. Now, if you take that concept of the advertising that happened within the papers for us to reach people, this is what it's about. It's just, that is just a little bit in a nutshell to explain to you that digital marketing is so wide, it is so broad, and the potential in developing your own skills is enormous. And if I didn't name myself, my name is Alta, and I'm excited to be here and to share my journey with you. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now.